Hey guys, welcome to Platform Guides by Kryptos. In this video, we will be checking out various transaction types, how Kryptos automatically sorts things out for you, and a few filters that you might need. So let's get right into it. So let's say that you have integrated all of your exchanges and all of your wallets on Kryptos. As a next step, you can head on to Transactions tab. Now inside the Transaction tabs, you'll see all of your transactions from all of your integrations in one single place. On the right hand side, you can sort your transactions by the most recent ones or by the most oldest ones. You can also choose to change the number of transactions that you see in one page. For this video, we'll go ahead with 100 transactions per page. Now here you have option to show only the manual transactions. So if you take a look at all of these filters here, the first filter is going to be the types of transactions, which will be categorized under deposit, trade, transfer, payment, or withdrawals. Now if you select any of the types, you will see all of the transactions that come under that type of transaction category. For example, you can take a look at your deposits, your trades, which will give you all of your trading history in one single place. Either it's a blockchain integration or an exchange integration, it will give you all of your trades in one single place. Now, the next thing is called the tag. These tags come under the main transaction types. In here, you'll see all of the tags, which are liquidity, airdrops, approve, borrow transactions, bridge transactions, and so on and so forth. Now, we do support in-depth DeFi transactions on various blockchains, which is why you'll see a pretty comprehensive category of all the tags. Now, let's take a look at an example for the buy tag. Now, if you want to see all of your buy transactions in one single place, go to type and select trade, and under tag, select buy, and you will see all of your buy transactions in one single place. Now the next filter is called the source. As you can see under the wallets and exchanges page, we have multiple integrations on our Kryptos account. So if you go to the transaction page and if you go to the drop down menu under source, you will see all of the transactions coming from your each and every integration that you have done on Kryptos. This is how you can filter various accounts. So if I want to look at my Binance transactions and nothing else, under source, I'll simply click on Binance. This will give me my entire Binance transaction data in one single place. You also have a currency filter where you can filter out the particular currency if you want specific data. And in the next tab, you can filter your date for your transactions. You can set a custom date here, or you can select transactions before a specific date or after a specific date as well. Now under reviews needed, you'll see all of the transactions that do require your attention for a smooth and an efficient tax reporting purpose. Now the last filter is called the advanced filter, where you can set in your custom values, your custom wallet name, your custom wallet address, or a specific transaction ID. You can also click on reset to go back to the factory settings for your transactions tab. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, if you have any queries, let us know down in the comment sections or simply reach out to us at support@kryptos.io. In the next video, we'll see how you can generate your tax reports according to your jurisdiction. Bye for now.